Welcome back! We continue to publish free video tutorials to help you learn Zero Coding Algorithmic Trading with TSLab. TSLab is an all-in-one platform that offers you impressive features to create your own trading bots, backtest them, and trade on exchanges. In this video, you will learn how to turn your script into a live trading bot, or agent, how we call it. You will find out how much historical data you need for correct calculation of your indicators, how to configure fully or partly automated trading mode, and the properties of auto-trading control center. Please note, the trading bot we use in this video has been created in our course Algo Trading with TSLab. If you are a student of algotradinglab.net, you will find a copy of it below the video. Otherwise, you can sign up for a free course on our website. It will not cost you a dime and no credit card details required. What do we need to do next to set up your robot for live trading? We go to the script management window. The first thing to do is to prepare the script itself for real-time trading. I suggest taking the script that we did in one of our previous lessons. This is a script for Bitcoin with both long and short sides. What does it mean to prepare the script for live trading? Basically, it means configuring all necessary settings. All settings are made in the Properties window. By and large, there is only one essential setting in script preparation. This is the maximum number of bars of past data that is used in the calculation of the script. What is this setting for? This setting is necessary to recalculate the script as quickly as possible. We need to figure out how much historical data it needs in order to make a trading decision and enter this figure here. If we don't do this, then the script will use all available historical data. Imagine that this could be a year or more. It will take a lot of time for TSLab to recalculate the entire year of past data. For example, it could be 1 second, 2 or 3. We definitely do not want this. It may be the case that we would only need the last day of historical data so that everything would be recalculated very quickly and the script could instantly make a decision on the trade. Accordingly, slippage will be reduced and everything else will work much faster and better. Therefore, the most important setting is the maximum bars for past data. How do we determine this very maximum? To do this, we need to know the script and find an indicator with the longest period in its setting. How do we do it? First of all, we look for the compressed blocks everywhere. Here we have the maximum compression time, 30 minutes. At the same time, these blocks here do not require past data at all. They work with the values of the last candle. Here we see a reference to the penultimate candle, so only 2 compressed candles are required. In this script, it is mainly the ATR blocks that will reference the largest numbers of bars of historical data. This one has a period of 20. Here we also have 20, they are identical. In total, we have to reference back 20 30-minute candles. If we multiply 20 by 30, we get that we need 600-minute bars of historical data. So to speak, we need to have at least 600 bars back to correctly calculate the ATR indicator. I always recommend setting this value with a margin, in case there is something that has not been considered. In addition, some indicators require more past data than stated in their period settings, as in the case with an exponential moving average. It is always better to have a margin of safety. As a rule of thumb, a script that references up to 5,000 minute bars will be recalculated very quickly in TSLab. If you use pending orders or limit orders in your script, then the recalculation time doesn't matter much. Why is that? because such orders are placed and sent to the stock exchange in advance and stay there until the moment they are filled. If you use market entry orders in a breakout strategy, the decision must be made really fast. Therefore, it is vital that the script is recalculated as quickly as possible. In our case, let me put 1000 bars. It will be more than enough, although it is less than 1 day of historical data. We can put even 2000. It would be absolutely fine too. Okay, basically that's all. We have done the initial script configuration. Further, we need to configure some trading settings when creating the agent. These trading settings can be made in advance. If we go back to Properties, we will see the Agent Mode button here. These are the settings for live trading. The two main settings are Send Position Entry Order Immediately and Send Position Exit Order Immediately. What are they? These are the most important settings, as I said. If we tick the checkboxes here, then everything will be done automatically. Your trading robot will automatically open and close positions. If these checkboxes are not ticked, then the robot will not trade automatically. It will only generate a message saying that there is a trading signal. It will act as an advisor. In this case, you will have to manually confirm this message, either to open or close the trade. If you want a fully automated process, you must select these checkboxes respectively. How do we create an agent now? An agent, I repeat, is a working, trading live script. There are two ways to do so. The first option is to press the Add Agent key. The second option is to add an agent from the Agent Management window. The Agent Management window is the main window where your robots will be set up for trading and where you can monitor the real-time performance. We open the AutoTrading Control Center window and see the same Add Agent button here. To be honest, it's not very convenient for me to add a script this way, because here you need to search for the necessary script among the list of other scripts and then add it. It is much more convenient to add directly from the Script Manager window. We select the desired script, then click Add Agent. The Add Agent window appears. Here you can give a name to the agent. If you do not do it, by default the agent will be named the same as the script. OK, next. The Limit Management Type field. If you select the Managed by Agent option, then everything would work exactly as you built in your script. For example, if you have configured the one lot entry, then there will be an entry with one lot. If you want the script to trade multiple sizes, you can set a limit in lots. If I put 5 now, then the trade size of the agent will be 5 times bigger than the one that it was set in the script on past data. In addition, you can set the values in monetary terms. You can allocate how much money you would like to use to trade. For example, if one lot is worth 1,000 and you put 10,000 here, then the script itself calculates that it needs to open a position with 10 lots. The easiest way is to configure it in lots. I will leave one lot by default. Next, we need to choose a tradable instrument. In my case, it will be Bitcoin. Click OK. Done. That's all. Here we can see a symbol like that. This means that we have successfully added an agent. Once the agent is deployed, you will not be able to delete the script. See, the delete button is not active. It is grayed out. Next, we go to the AutoTrading Control Center window and see that our agent has appeared here. Here are various tabs with different data about the agent performance. How do we actually start the agent to trade live? Very simple. We just move this slider here. A green color means the agent is running live. How do we check if the agent is working? We can check it in the message window below. I will now tick the checkbox here so you can see the messages. This line says that the agent has been successfully recalculated in just 23 milliseconds. Now every minute it will be recalculated and run. How can you visually observe an agent? In order to observe the agent, you click the Agent button. Here we have an open agent and the compressed candles. There isn't much historical data because we just created a data provider and the full period has not been loaded yet. It is going to happen a bit later. From here we can customize the image of the chart as we would like to by turning on and off various items. All the elements that we have in the script are displayed here. Now on the chart we see that the price is changing, the agent is recalculated. At exactly 8 minutes past, there will be the next recalculation. Okay, there it is. It took only 2 milliseconds to recalculate the script. Why is it so fast? Because so far we have only 58 bars of past data, despite the restriction that we set before. You can of course accumulate the necessary past data yourself by simply connecting to the market data. TSLab will write the data in memory and save it. Okay, that's it. We have deployed the agent. What else can we do from the agent management window? The tab log shows information about the work of this agent. The Profit tab displays the performance result of the agent with various data. Apart from that, you can also see all the agent statistics. Let's set it up the way that you can see these two windows side by side. Here you can see the open P&L, drawdown and other. Now the robot is already trading, waiting for a signal to open a position. In the last tutorial, we introduced you to TSLab Live to monitor your trading algos on the go from any device with the internet. You can monitor any TSLab window such as Data Manager, Auto-Trading Control Center, Chart and others. To see how it works in real time, we set a demonstration trading bot on a remote PC. You can find a link to it on our website algotradinglabnet.teachable.com along with a description of TSLab Live features. By clicking on the link, you will be able to see and monitor the progress of our trading bot and its results. Well, that's all for today. Build your robots, launch them to trade live. In the beginning, I recommend you should start trading the minimum volume to control your risk. You can also use a demo version of the connector to better understand how everything works. There are of course many other interesting areas to learn in TSLab. We are going to explore them in our advanced course. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful. I hope to see you in the next one.